All right, so I just want to show you a little trick that I learned on adding templates to Visual Studio. So in other words, sometimes you have some boilerplate on something that you use over and over. And for Vue, we're using the component regularly, and every component pretty much is going to look just exactly like this. Maybe maybe take out, maybe if you didn't need the styles, you could take that out, and this is just okay, just something to get up and running with. But what we'd like to be able to do is just say, right click here and say add new item and have a view pop up here, but there aren't any. See, we have a React JSX component file, but if we type in view, we got nothing. Well, actually, we do have a view component because that's one that I just installed, but I want to show you how to do that same install. All right, so it's actually easier than you think. So you start with creating a file just like you want it, and you can be really in any project, doesn't really matter. But then you come over here to this project menu and you come down here to export template. So I've never actually done before. Now we don't want to export a project template. We want to export a item template. And it says, okay, well, which item do you want? So it's on the client and it's in over here components, excuse me. Add the Vue TypeScript component template. We say next. Preferences. All right. And so now a template name is going to be a Vue TS component file. Vue um, TypeScript component file. We won't worry about an image or a preview. Now, this is important. Automatically import the template into Visual Studio. So you leave that checked. That way it's going to automatically do some work for us on it and display an Explorer window on the output folders. We'll say okay. So now we do this, and basically what it does is it creates a zip file for us. But we don't need to do anything with this file. Now, we could take this a step further and publish it as a extension and put it in the um, Visual Studio gallery, but we're not going to worry about that. We just want to be able to use it in our project. And so, last thing we have to do is just close Visual Studio, and then we're going to open it back up again. Come back to our same project. And now, magically, we come over here and say add new item. Oh, look, there it is. We just added it's a Vue TypeScript component file and .vue. And you say add, and then, well, I mean, it looks exactly like the other one, but that's the one that we just created. So there you have it. It's a cool little trick just for creating some boilerplate because I got tired of typing this too many times or copying, pasting, blah, blah, blah. Why not just create your own little um, item? All right, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.